What's up, y'all? Welcome back. I know it's been a while since I posted, but we are finally back. We are adding a mod to the car. The axle back portion of the Powercraft Japan exhaust is in. I already have the mid pipe on, as you guys know. So here's the axle back portion. I already put some of it in the trunk to the pipes, and this is all the electronic stuff that goes along with it to have the valves open and close through remote. So I'm gonna be taking it to the dealership. They'll be doing the install. They're gonna hook up all the electrical stuff for the valves. I'm gonna post before and after videos of the sound, and we're gonna see if we can tell a difference with the axle back portion on. So here's the OEM axle back portion. And here's the mid pipe that we installed already. The exhaust axle back installed now. All right, now that we are done with the comparisons, I guess I'll just go over a few things. So when I wanted an Axleback or any aftermarket exhaust, what you gain below 4,000 RPMs is just well worth it. You get to hear the car more moving from a dead stop. A lot of us probably do a lot of city driving, so you get to enjoy the engine note a lot more. You get to enjoy just that sound of driving around at slower speeds. It's deep, it's grunty, it's real nice. I actually was going through a parking lot at the mall, and like the amount of people just looking around and like pointing at the car and like thought it was super cool to hear and thought it sounded good and shouted me out was amazing. So for the Powercraft Axleback, that's a big point. So with the Powercraft Axleback as well, it seems like it's a more refined and smoothed out sound. And you'll probably hear that in the video clips when we compared going up to Redline. You can kind of hear it on the deceleration or when the RPMs come back down. It's very smooth sounding. It doesn't have the that the OEM Axleback has. Now on the flip side, I love that sound that the OEM Axleback has. It's a lot more grunty. It's rough, you know. And I think a lot of people are accustomed to hearing that with the LC. But I will say, I guess it depends on the kind of driver you are. Do you like a smoother exhaust sound, or do you like more of a grunty one? You know, that's a little more muscular. So I can see people going either way with voting which one they think sounds better. Yeah, so with that being said, we're going to keep the whole Powercraft system right now. I think it's a great system. You know, with the videos of me flying down, I can tell that it's either about the same loudness or a little louder than OEM Axleback. When I first had put the system on and drove around that same day, I thought, this sounds quieter than the OEM Axleback. But it actually seems that all the refining of the sound is what makes it seem a little less quiet, but it's actually not. It's just super smooth now, you know. So with that being said, we're going to keep the system on. We are going to be doing some dynos and tuning coming real soon. I have the tuning device. It's supposed to be shipped out this week, hopefully. So I'll get that back, hopefully, and we can start, you know, really messing around and see how much power we can gain. Also going to be installing a catch can soon, or attempting to, because they don't make one for the LC 500. So I'll be using the one from the RCF, GSF, and IS 500 and trying to adapt it to this car. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.